Hi, everybody. We are going to work on baking a cake today. There are 3 strategies that I'm going to try to focus on throughout the lesson. The first strategy is sabotage, and that is creating a problem to elicit language. So if I were to put an egg in a bowl without cracking the egg, that would be a problem, and that would cause the child to say, no, stop, you need to crack the egg. So it forces them to tell you something for the situation to be handled correctly. The next strategy is expansion. Any good language lesson is going to be about getting as much language out of these children as possible. So you want to expand what they're saying. If a child says open, you say, help me open. If your child says open the box, say, help me open the box. I want to open the box. Provide them a model and push them to say a few more words. They're not going to be able to do it every time, but you just want to continue modeling and giving them those examples of good, strong language. If they have a lot of language already, you can use prompts instead of models, like tell me more, or asking the child certain questions for what would be happening next. And then the last tip is to model correct grammar. So when your child is doing 1 or 2 word phrases, you're going to model it correctly, but you're not going to expect them to say all those little words, those little articles. So if your child is just saying like open or open box, you're going to model open the box, but you're not going to focus on the word the, you're just going to focus on open the box and have them see what they can repeat. If they have a little bit more language, then you are going to emphasize those smaller words. If your child says, I want open, you're going to model, I want to open, and emphasize that word too. So that's kind of the 3 things we're going to focus on throughout the lesson. Rhodes is going to be my helper today. She is 3 1/2, and she has always had above average language levels. So she's pretty high level. And we'll see how this goes. All right, Rhodes, can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
And can you please tell them why you're wearing your Easter Bunny shirt?
Because we're making Easter Bunny cake.
We are going to make an Easter Bunny cake for Easter. It's going to be so fun, isn't it?
What fruit is it?
What kind of fruit is our cake going to be?
Banana? Lemon.
Lemon. It's going to be yellow and lemon for our cake.
Yeah, and it's going to be lemon because I love my mommy.
Because mommy likes lemon flavor, and Roro's favorite color is
yellow.
That's right. Can you tell them my favorite color is yellow?
And my favorite color is really, really yellow.
Very
the whole
good.
wide world.
The whole wide world. All right. So we already washed our hands, because that's the first thing you need to do when you're cooking, right? We already washed our hands, and then I already got the pans greased and floured and ready to go. So all we're going to do is get the physical mix ready.
And that's because she got the pan flour to make the cake.
Right. And one thing I want y'all to keep in mind when you're doing these kind of things is this is not a classroom environment, and that's okay. So when I bake a cake with my class, it's a 30-minute language lesson. This is not going to take 30 minutes because it's just one-on-one. Things are going to move faster.
It's my turn still.
It's not as a controlled environment. So don't have the expectations that it's going to be like a classroom setting. That's okay. It's not going to be.
And because it says it got leaves on the picture.
There are leaves next to the lemon, yes.
Yeah.
All right, so Rowie.
Because the picture needs leaves on it.
Okay, what's the first thing we need to do?
Make a cake.
Well, how do we make a cake?
We bake it.
What's the first thing we need to do?
I don't know.
Can I just take this bowl and pour it in?
Yeah, pour it in.
Okay.
And we pour it in the bowl.
Okay. So this is sabotage right here.
And we're only pretending to shake it.
No, what do we really need to do? We need to open it.
Yeah.
We're not pretending, we're really making a cake. What do we need to do?
Shake it in the bowl. Whoa.
It's not working. Why isn't it working?
I don't know. Because we need to open the box.
That's right. We need to open the box.
We need to open the box.
All right, let's open the box.
Open. Help me. All of you. You got for 10 friends.
Yes. Okay.
Now we pour it in.
Pour it in. Okay, go ahead and pour it in.
But we can pour it in too.
Hmm.
Now we need to open it in.
We need to open the bag now.
Yeah.
What could we use to open the bag? Look and see what we have. What are those?
Scissors.
All right, tell me, we need scissors to open the bag.
We need scissors to open the bag.
Good.
Ketchup, Mommy.
All right, let's cut, cut, cut.
I want to help you on your hand.
Please do. Good.
Good job, Mommy.
Thank you. All right, go ahead and pour it in.
Now we're pouring it in. It's super yellow.
It is
Children.
yellow.
Now, Mommy's friends, we're going to cook a yellow cake.
We're making a yellow lemon cake.
And it's going to be super yummy.
Next.
And now we're going to give it to my brother and my dad.
Okay, what's next?
Coffee.
So a lot of times I'll let them look at the pictures and see if they can figure out what we need next. So coffee is a really good guess. That's a drawing of water. It says 1 cup of water. Okay, I'll get you some water after you pour this water in, okay?
Mommy, send me your water.
Okay.
Can I have it in the sippy cup?
Yes. Pour the, no. Pour that water into the bowl, please.
I am, Mommy.
Okay.
I, Mommy.
All right.
I'm doing it, Mommy.
Great job, honey.
I got it on hand a little bit.
Why don't you push up your sleeves?
Can I have my hand?
Okay. Let's see what's next.
Eggs.
Good. Can you please count the eggs for me? No, wait. On the picture, this is the recipe.
1, 2, 3.
3 eggs.
We got 3.
Well, perfect. We already have 3 eggs ready. One thing I like to do so that they can have as much interaction as possible and feel like they're making the cake as much as possible is instead of cracking the egg into the bowl, I'll crack it like into a cup so that way they can pour the egg into the bowl. It just gives them another opportunity and another turn.
Now let's crack it.
Okay.
1.
Just a second. I want all of my friends to listen. I'm going to say tap, tap, crack. Okay?
Okay, let's do it together.
Okay.
Tap, 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 crack.
Good. Good. Okay, go ahead and pour that egg in.
Mommy, you got it all over.
Oh my goodness. Go ahead and pour it in.
It's so slimy.
Good. Okay, now this time, I want my friends to be able to listen to it. So don't say tap, tap, crack. Just listen. Okay? Ready? Tap. Crack.
Crack.
Good. Tap, tap, crack. Okay?
I thought we do 2 at a time.
Very good.
Just slimy.
Okay, how many more eggs do we have?
1.
Tell me, we have 1 more egg.
We have 1 more egg.
All right.
Okay?
And should I just throw it in? What should I do?
Crack it.
Ooh, tell me, we need to crack the egg.
We need to crack the egg for Mommy.
Perfect. All right, let's have my friends listen again for tap, tap, crack. Okay?
Oh my gosh. Help me some, Mom. Mom, you gotta help me some. It's okay, I can try it.
Okay, go ahead and pour that last egg in there. Great job, honey. All right, let's see what's next. Rowie, let's see what's next, okay?
Let's take it into milk,
Good guess.
water.
Look around and see what's here.
Oil.
Oil, good.
This heavy oil.
Oh, it's so heavy. And look, what number is that?
1.
And what's that?
Why?
What number is that?
Why?
Y is a letter. What number is it?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. It's your age. 3. 1, 3. 1/3 cup oil. All right. Go ahead and pour the oil in.
How can we open it?
Do you need some help?
Yes, please, Mom.
Okay. Ask me nicely.
Can you please help me open the oil lid?
Yes, I sure can. Okay.
I want to do it myself.
Well, I need to help you so it's the right amount. Okay. Pour, 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 and stop.
Stop.
Very good. Go ahead and pour it in.
Oh, that's a little bit too high.
I think it's the perfect amount. Great job.
This oil is going to be yummy with lemon cake.
Yes, it is.
I think it's going to be super good.
Okay. What do you think we do now?
Pour it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do it myself.
Okay. Ask me.
Please, may I do it myself?
You
Mom?
may. Remember to do it really slowly, okay? When you stir it slowly, how are you doing it? Are you going round and round?
Yeah.
Yes.
Whoa.
We say, ooh, look, let it go for a second. I'll knock it out. Okay? So when we do it, we can say round and round.
Round. Again.
Okay, stir it again. When children are just kind of at the more beginning stages of language, I like to do things a little bit more sing-songy. They seem to remember it more. So like with round and round, I'll say it the same way every time. Round, round and round. Let's mix it up. Get that egg. What is that egg doing?
Mom, it's getting yellow, Mom.
Ooh.
Almost yellow.
Okay, it's all mixed in. So what do you think we need to do?
I don't know.
Well,
Stir it again.
no, we're done stirring it. Now what do we do?
Put flour in it.
You flour in it. What? There's flour in this pan, but what do we do?
I know. I'll save flour in a pan.
Yes, but what do we need to do with the cake mix?
Pour it.
Good. We need to pour the mix into the pan.
What?
Can you say that?
Pour the mix into the pan.
All right. Are you going to help me?
Yes.
Okay, let's put both the pans right here. Ready? Oh.
We need
Okay.
2
Yes.
or
So that it can be a bunny rabbit, we need 2.
oh,
Let's see how much we need. This one needs more.
a little bit more. What about that? A little bit more, Mom.
Yep, we're going to do a little bit more on both of them, I think. Scrape it out.
Scrape. Right. Now give it it. That
And more on here.
one.
Scrape it out.
Scrape. 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 Scrape.
You're so silly.
Yeah. I don't know. Do you know why bubble water is doing it? Because Mommy sent me some bubble water. She always shares with me. I don't know why. She's such the best mom. She's a lover. So that's right. We're making lemon cake today. Yeah? So we're going to do Johnny Girls boys.
That's right. And then
Yeah, because Randy's a taller and toddlers are too little to make cake.
right. But Remy might help us decorate the cake this afternoon.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's gonna help us decorate the cake because he's my a baby brother.
All right. So is the cake ready to eat? What do we need to do? Put it in the microwave? We don't need that spoon. What do we need to do? I got it out in case we needed it.
Oh.
What do we need to do?
I don't know.
Where does the cake go? So I started off with a big open-ended question. What do we need to do? She didn't know the answer. So then dial it in a little bit. Where does it need to go? Does it go in the microwave? No. Where does the cake go? Still doesn't know. So let's give her another clue that's even more specific. It needs to get hot. What do we need to do?
Do it in the oven.
Oh, well, tell them we need to put the cake in the oven.
So then we gotta put the cake in the oven.
All right, get off the chair and I'll push the chair away. Can you put a cake in an oven? Why not?
Because I'm 3 years old.
Yep. Who gets to put cakes in ovens?
You gotta get your family too.
Mommies and daddies and grandmas and grandpas get to put cake in the oven, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's put our cakes in the oven. It is so hot, so I'm being extra, extra careful.
That's because my mom is super good at doing it.
Okay, so hopefully we'll have another video that'll show us decorating the cake, and Remy will be in that video too. He's almost 2, so you'll see a little bit lower of a language model with him. All right, thanks y'all.